So well, at least I kept it on its feet. Well, that's not good. Oh boy. Check that out. Right backwards. All right, so I came down here and it's a little icy, and then my truck Jake stalled, so it just went dead and my truck turned off. So I'm like, oh shit, and then my steering locks up. I go and I'm turning the key trying to start my truck. I dumped the clutch, grabbed my gear trying to get it to turn over. Won't turn over, and I can't go. So I'm trying to turn my truck over, and I come around this corner, which now my truck's not running, so I can't accelerate out of it, and it forces me into a jackknife. So I jackknife here. My tractor touches the bank, and then my trailer totally jackknifes me right fucking over. That sucks. So I'm just starting up the 500 road here on the way to help rescue the truck that I just put off the bank. They already low-bedded a machine out here, and I think they got the skidder down here. We'll see how much they have done when I get there. Guess we'll find out how the rest of my career goes. What's Troy say? What did the computer say? What did the crash investors say? What did Troy say? Is this the end of my logging career again? I'm so sorry, Troy. Like, fucking what a first week. I'm like, oh, I'm doing so good. It's so, everything great. And then,
well, the thing is still, I know shit happens, but you're the poor fucker that everybody's fucking, that would love you to fuck up.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
What I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I'm keeping hush right now, and I will. But the thing is, I don't know if else can keep.
Oh, I'm gonna say it. I'm not scared of saying that.
No, but what I'm saying is,